Matt Jones takes the shotgun snap, sets up the screen. There is Christian. He's got it. Block in front. McCaffrey, another cuts it back at the 20. McCaffrey down to the 15-yard line.
Bad time to the day of the birth. Every day we gon' work to the day you return. It's automatic. When it can't hit the screen, see the static.